Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the visual search feature on the Temu application to search for products by capturing their image with your camera on the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then go to your home page by clicking on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, go to the top of the page and click on the camera icon in the upper right corner of the screen within the search bar. Then you should direct your camera to the product and then scan it. You should wait a few seconds, and here you will be able to find the relevant results. So click on the product that you were looking for. Now you can check it out, and basically that's it. If you want to narrow down your search, you can use the or apply filters at the top of the screen, so you can sort them by price or select a category as well. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.